everywhere.
What we've experienced is something that we've never seen before, which is that we're getting small outbreaks, but in almost all of the major shelters.
Right now, we're worried, we're concerned that there isn't enough capacity in the system to say yes to everyone, and that will get even worse and exacerbated if there's further outbreaks.
At least 5 homeless shelters in Montreal have had COVID-19 outbreaks in the past few weeks, with upwards of 80 cases detected within the facilities, and that's forcing shelters to close their doors to new people. The shelters say it's a crisis in the making, as the situation will likely get worse with winter fast approaching.
Welcome Hall Mission's emergency facility on St. Antoine would normally be able to accommodate up to 140 people. Well, with the policy of no new admissions, we've been, I think, at about 85 people.
Which is really, really tough, right, for us. I mean, we're in the business of welcoming people into the building who are in need. We've had to refuse people because of the protocol over the last few weeks. Luckily, next week, we get to open the doors and go back up to full capacity as of then.
Various shelters in Montreal had been coordinating their response to outbreaks and referring people to each other, but that can no longer be done.
The other facilities as well went through the same protocol as we have. The individuals they're serving were also transferred to the Brewery Mission's quarantine facilities, where they can be isolated from the rest of the homeless population so that we're protecting everyone.
Montreal's Open Door Day Shelter has managed to avoid cases till now, but not without consequences.
Over the last several weeks, we've been overwhelmed with people trying to come here because we're one of the only places that will accept, new clientele because we haven't had an outbreak.
Organizations worry only the worst could be yet to come. The shelters say all that's left is for the government to come forward with a concrete and full winter plan.
With winter coming and the homeless population going up naturally as it does during that period, that this is a bit of a cautionary tale for us, that we need more capacity in the system as we get to the very dangerous winter months when we don't want to refuse anybody for any reason.
The province announced $280 million will be invested over the next 5 years to improve services to its homeless population. In Montreal, Brittany Henriques, City News.